In this instruction video, I'm going to show you how to use compressed gauze to stop massive bleeding in the neck, armpit or groin. First, we're going to open the compressed gauze and take it out of its package. Place the compressed gauze in your non-dominant hand. And make sure you've got a good view on the wound that you are going to treat. If there is a lot of blood still left within the wound, you might have to scoop it out with your other hand. As soon as you've seen the location where the bleeding originates from, be ready to place your compressed gauze directly on that particular place. Quickly and firmly, and keep it in place, and then repeat and repeat each time, unfolding a little bit of compressed gauze and put it on top, but try to keep and maintain pressure within the wound. Once you filled up the wound, keep pressure on top of it. Because this is compressed gauze, you need to keep it there for approximately 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, as if you are a poker player, look underneath if the bleeding has stopped, and if it has stopped, place the package you used on your compressed gauze, and afterwards you can put an emergency bandage on top to keep it in place.